This video is to show you how and why I deserve to lose $600 on XUII. Head over to promobuyer.net, which is a great website. You can see promoters and their past plays. Click victory mark. And let's take a look at their past plays. This was their recent pick. They pumped it on May 1st. And GOFF, they pumped with Awesome Penny Stocks together and did real well. But this is what their typical play looks like when they go out on their own. REDG. As you can see, they pumped on the 28th. It lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they dumped on the 6th day. VUME. As you can see here, pumped on the 9th. It lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and dumped again. PBCW, as you can see, it lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and dumped on the 6th day. And then these are older plays. This one dumped right after. This was their best play. And these are just two of their older ones when they were actually doing well. But as you can see, this was the recent trend, dumping on the 6th day. So what I did was I took a short position on, I think, right here on the 6th. And I was anticipating that it would dump on the 6th day. And it did not. It was a red day. But it didn't dump. And of course, my hard-headedness, I stayed short. But my plan failed, and that's why I should have just covered, and I would have broke even. But no, I was hard-headed, and I stayed in the play, and I stayed short. And look, this action is screaming to get out. It started to bounce, and it hasn't done this ever. Just look at their past plays, and past the 6th day, it doesn't bounce and go back up. So when this started happening, I should have covered, but I didn't. This was Thursday, this is Friday, it started bouncing. And then this morning, there was a bunch of action pre-market. Let's take a look. This is 9:30 right here. And this action right here is where I covered because there was so much volume pre-market. And with Awesome Penny Stocks, let's take a look here. This was the email from this weekend. AwesomePennyStocks.com was saying they were going to have a pick Monday morning. Will be announced Monday morning. So basically, when they tell you when the pick is, all you have to do is scan for pre-market volume, and whatever stock, OTC bulletin board stock is trading over $1 million pre-market, or trading near $1 million pre-market, it's most likely going to be Awesome Penny Stocks pick. So I covered at 24. I took a $600 loss, which was the smartest move I could have did because this was definitely the pick, and this thing just kept going, and now it's trading around 40 cents. So I took a $600 loss, and those are some of the lessons you should take from this. I should have covered last week. I didn't, but I did a smart move by not being hard-headed and waiting for emails to hit. I saw the market I saw the volume pre-market, and I covered. And luckily, I made $900 shorting ACCS today, and I'll make another video showing you why I shorted and how I banked.